My name is Larry Smith. I'm from Goodyear, Arizona. About 2 years ago, I took the home study course for the NRVTA. I decided to take that after seeing Todd on YouTube in one of his videos. And it just drew me to that because I was looking for information on how to repair my own RV. I finally made it here. I'm in the fundamentals class right now, and I chose this mainly because of hands-on. Hands-on is where I learn the best. Learning how to use the meter, learning what to look for with water tanks, air conditioners, heaters, learning Ohm's law and everything else has been wonderful for me. I will be going to the inspection classes. When I come back in the spring, hopefully, to finish off my tech, I will then turn around and become a certified technician and start my own business. The people here at the NRVTA have been so accommodating and helpful. If this is something you want to do, or if you even just want to work on your own rig, check out the NRVTA. You'll have a great experience.